All right, I am back in my classroom. Don't know what that buzzing sound is. It's been doing that since I got in here. So, first thing first, I need to start packing. It's very bittersweet being in here. It's exactly the way I left it. So I need to what is that noise? It's like an alarm going off. Everyone had to sign up on like different days, so there's probably no one else here. It's 8:30 in the morning, the day after Memorial. It's still a school day, but we got to take a planning day to pack up our rooms. I miss him. Mr. Snugs? I forgot his name. But anyway, I'm taking him home. And so I need to pack up boxes. A box for personal items and a box for like school stuff. And then make sure I put my name on it, the room number, and the number box it is. This was the last date we were at school. I don't know if you can see that. It says March 13th. That's crazy. Erase that. Yeah, so everyone just signed up for a day. I have pretty much the whole school day to pack up my room, but it shouldn't take me longer than hopefully 2 hours. That sound is so annoying. And then after I get everything packed up, I just have to make sure everything's on top of a desk or on a shelf, which I don't have shelves. I have like tables, so I'll put as many boxes on the tables, and then everything else will just start piling up on desks. So let's get started. Gonna start with all personal items, put them in a Rubbermaid, and then when that's full, then I'll go on to putting them in boxes. This is like my bag to travel around the school with. Very cute, accessible to carry things in. I got that off of Amazon because at my school, even though this is like the 7th grade ELA classroom, the other 7th grade teacher, she shares classroom with me, so when she has classes in here, it's usually like my planning time, and I either stay and do work, depending on what she's doing, or I just like leave and go to another free room where the teacher's lounge, or we got this really cool like teacher station. I'm looking for this. But that might change next year because we're going from 7 periods to 6, so we'll see what that looks like. 5, but I just checked my email. My principal has canceled that and said we won't have an all-staff meeting this week. So I don't have to log on at 8:45, but I do need to get on at 9:30 for my middle school meeting with my other 2 assistant principals and the dean. So I have about, it's 8:50 now, so I have about 30 minutes before I have to log in. So hopefully the goal is by that time I'll have all my personals packed up and I'll be working on the classroom material. On the school property is all of these paper towels that I can use next year in my classroom. Let's just say it's on the school list. The students bring it. So I've been stocked all year, which is a rarity, but a blessing.